up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. My name is Shanti, I'm from Singapore, I'm a YouTuber. If you'd like to see more content from me, all that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down this video, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 3 affordable luxury that is unfortunately idealized and glamorized to another whole extent. So we're just going to be discussing 3 of them today. So if you want to know what they are, then please keep on watching. The first on the list is going to be fitness, and unfortunately Instagram has a way of coming through to us in a very idealized and really glamorized version of Fitspo, thanks to all of the fits inspiration models and all of the apps that they show and the fitness modes and poses that they have going on Instagram. It is not true that you need to have a huge amount of disposable income for you to have and maintain a healthy lifestyle and include fitness in it. I remember talking about how fitness can be really affordable to us in many videos back. I believe when I just first started making videos on the YouTube platform, I have actually mentioned that if you're someone who is watching your budget very closely and carefully, you don't need to fork out a lot of money on a gym membership that probably you perhaps just visit once every 6 months. That way you're actually losing out a lot on your membership if you're someone who is not willing to go to a certain place at a certain location at a certain time to do a workout. Perhaps you need a fitness trainer to be with you when you're doing a workout. I would highly suggest that you pick what best fits your lifestyle. I do understand that it looks really nice and glamorous being able to go to a studio that has lots and lots of classes that you can choose from, but if you're not really committing to go to a certain location at a time, perhaps Pilates starts at 8 PM and you finish work at 8, there's really no reason why you should be paying Pilates membership when you're not even going for the class once a week. Another factor that attributes to fitness looking like it's really expensive, it's the outfit and the gear type they are pushing across to us as consumers, and because we see them on really fit looking models, we too are being really pushed to buy those clothing. And if you're not going to be using them on the long run, if you're not going to be wearing them at least 7 times, there's really no reason why you should be spending $80 on a really expensive brand of leggings and sports bra. If you look around enough, it is for sure that there's something for every budget. If you're someone who's a beginner at fitness, then make sure that you just buy a small quantity of trainers and leggings and yoga pants. You don't have to really go out and buy yourself 10 pairs of yoga pants or Lululemon pants and a certain brand of tops or crop tops. You don't really have to spend that much. An example that I could extend out to you is Cotton On Body. They do have a nice selection and a nice budget range. As you can see, there is no compromise on quality, it's just the amount of wear that you're going to be getting out of them. The second affordable luxury is traveling frequently, and thanks again to Instagram, the whole idea of taking glamorous pictures and videographies around beautiful locations all over the world has got us thinking that traveling frequently means that we need to have a room full of cash, which is not true. And for someone who has not had a vacation for a very long time, you can feel really tempted to take a very big long vacation on a really high scale budget, but by doing that you run the risk of having a huge amount of percentage from your household income reduced, and this could lead to a really bad financial health for the upcoming months ahead when you return back from your vacation. It is wise that you plan early and you look around for affordable accommodations, look up in advance, at least try to make about 6 months in advance wherever you want to go, where you want to stay, how much budget you're going to be drawing out for yourself, how much spare cash do you want to carry around with you, how much is your travel insurance going to cost, how much is your airfare, how much is your fuel fare, how much you're willing to put aside for extra baggage claim. In case you have a health complication while being away on vacation, like for example you run a very high fever, you have diarrhea, this is highly possible, and this is why a travel insurance is a must. You don't want to come back with an infection and in the long run it might be costing you a huge hospital bill to pay from a vacation that you went without travel insurance. What you can do is to plan in advance, pay up in advance, and enjoy a stress-free vacation. vacation. There are tons and tons of travel packages that allow you to pay in advance, and by the time you're flying to your dream vacation, you're completely paid up for and you have a stress-free vacation. The last but not the least is going to be clean eating, and thanks again to Instagram. All of the fitness inspiration that is just like combined with all of this traveling frequently and clean eating has got us thinking that clean eating can be really costly when it doesn't have to be. Healthy diets are nutrient-dense food which are available to us at our local supermarket. You just have to keep wide eye open and make sure that you're looking at the right aisle and the section of the supermarket, just so that you don't overlook the sections. When you're eating clean, you're essentially reducing packaging, processed and off-season fruit and food. The neighborhood supermarkets that we usually find in our heartland malls have an amazing variety of clean eating foods that you can actually get hold of at a very lower cost. A quick money saving tip is to make sure that when it comes to fruit and fresh produce, make sure to get something that is in season, and this way they cost much lesser than when they go off season. If you're someone who's looking at increasing your protein intake, then perhaps you can reconsider removing all meat from your diet and opt for lentils, pulses and soy. Clean eating can essentially save you a lot of money in the big run, can also contribute to doing a lot of big batch cooking and storing them away, and this in turn can actually help you stay away from eating out and buying food from outside. That could actually help your wallet also and help you with the clean eating all the more. And those are my 3 affordable luxuries, and if you enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're someone who wants to consider clean eating and travel frequently and would like to have a fitness regime, just remember that these luxuries are still within reach. All you have to do is just do a little bit of planning and just look around a lot more and shop smartly, and you can definitely do it as well. And I shall catch you in my next video. Bye guys!